Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm the Rusty Bartender, your favorite Irish barman, and today's cocktail is called Remember the Maine. Ever wondered what it would be like to make every single recipe from a cocktail book? This season, we're making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. This is a spirit-forward cocktail, but it's slightly on the sweeter side, so it's kind of like a cross between a Manhattan and a Sazerac. If you want to know the history of the drink, read it in the comments below. Anyway, let's get mixing this drink. Sometimes you just want a spirit-forward cocktail, especially if you've had a big day. Is an everyday big day? All right, go 2 ounces of rye whiskey. We're using the Sazerac today. Then we're going to go with a sweet vermouth, and we're going 3/4 of an ounce. It's been a big day. Then we're going to go 1/3 of an ounce of cherry herring. I love this stuff. This is great. Sadly, it's just not in enough cocktails. Then we're going to go a dash of absinthe. I don't have a dasher bottle at the minute, so we're going to do our dash with a little bar spoon, just a little dash. Beautiful. Absinthe today we're using is called Green Fairy. To our mixing glass, add some H2O croutons. Stir for 15 to 20 seconds. And don't be forgetting to hit the like button here, or if you actually like this video, consider subscribing. 80% of my viewers are not subscribed. Ooh, it's gonna be a good one. Take a pre-chilled coupe. And we're just gonna strain in. If you're new to the channel, I'm making every single cocktail from Steve the Bartender's Cocktail Guide. This is only gonna be season 1. We're gonna be doing a lot more cocktail books, hopefully. Garnish for this is going to be a lemon twist. Here's our lemon twist, done. Here is our drink. Remember the Maine. Let's give it a sip and I'll tell you what it tastes like. Ooh, it's a really nice Manhattan variation, actually. Slightly on the sweeter side than you're used to. The cherry herring gives it just a little something on the back of your tongue. Cherry, obviously. And the absinthe. I don't know about the absinthe, actually. It's there when you look for it. A little tiny bit of licorice note. But yeah, this is a superb one. Give this a go on your Manhattan rotations. Cheers.